Hi, hello, one viewer. Oh, three books. Welcome to my live again. Hello. Hello, can you speak English? Hi, everyone. Good evening. I, I don't understand other language, only English. Guys, if you are new to my channel, just click the button subscribe to help me grow my channel to 100k. Hello. Shout out everyone to my 37 viewers. Share live guys, share live. Hello Marcelino Sagura. Hi. Fabio Marquez and Mohamed Safed. Hello everyone. I have my you know what happened to my eyes. So hurt because of my fake eyelashes. I get it out. I don't. Oh, almost half of my eyes load. Get. Hello 26 viewers. Hello. Shout out. What's name, mom? My name is Naomi. Naomi. Ahmed Basai TV. Hello. Shout out. Please subscribe. Perfect mo. I only understand English, guys. English. Because I'm a Filipina. I know English and also Bisaya and Tagalog at Cebuano. Share guys, share live. Hello, MD Shaha Janmondo. Hi. It's so maganda to eyelashes but it hurts to make my eyes. Make bahasa Indonesia mo. I don't know how to speak Indonesian. I'm so sorry. What's that? Only 10 viewers. Maybe they are sleeping right now. I'm here in front of the camera. Hi everyone. Good evening. Hello, shall we? To my 15 viewers. I don't know where my numbers doesn't present because I don't live for every day because I'm so busy. But I'm still here live again. Thank you for coming in live. Thank you so much. Hello my friend, how are you? I'm fine. I'm sensible man.